Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: the Chromecast, its power adapter, and your phone with the Google Home app. Plug the adapter into a wall outlet and connect Chromecast. Do not rely on TV USB power because voltage can fluctuate. Once powered, open Google Home and look for the device listing. If it doesn't appear, toggle Wi-Fi on your phone and make sure your phone is on the same network you want the Chromecast to use. This prevents pairing errors later. Now you handle the configuration. If Chromecast is visible, follow prompts to select your Wi-Fi SSID and enter the password. This links the device to your router and enables casting. If the unit is unresponsive, perform a factory reset by holding the side button 25 seconds until LED flashes and restart setup. Make sure dual band routers use the same network name for both bands or choose the band you prefer. Also, turn off access point isolation or guest mode during setup to allow device discovery. Finish by updating firmware through Google Home. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. Test casting from YouTube or Netflix and confirm video plays. If you see buffering or dropouts, reboot both the router and Chromecast, then check signal strength. Move the router closer or use an Ethernet adapter for heavy streams. If pairing still fails, factory reset once more and try with a different phone as a temporary troubleshooting step. This isolates whether the phone's network settings block discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.